Cheers. Hey there. Hey guys, so I've got a super easy DIY. It's basically just graphic tees that are luxury knockoff puns. So I printed out on fabric transfer sheets, Givenchy, like Givenchy, in Paris, and Prada. With Marfa, I just found a bunch of these and just basically plastered it all over and laid it out onto my fabric tee. So now we're just gonna cut them out and do the fabric transfer. Now you're gonna need a non-heat resistant surface, such as like your wood floor or anything that's just doesn't absorb heat. And you kind of want to cut these bad boys out to your liking. I fucked up. I was supposed to print them out backwards. Didn't think of that, did I? Well, I've got another one for you guys, which was the Boobie t-shirts that you see. So they're printed out on fabric transfer, and what you want to do is just cut them out. I made like a bunch of these that they were selling for on Amazon for like $16.99. You guys are going to see the one that I did with has the color. And basically you just want to cut it out, lay it down to where your breast is going to be at. And you always want to do a tester of these. Because like I did in the other ones, I messed up. The ones with the printed letters. There's like logos on there. So basically you're going to cut them out, you're going to lay it down first, and you're going to actually wear the shirt. Put on the shirt first, dot your tees, and then we're going to iron these on. And you're going to lay them down for a little while until you get them to what you want them to be. And now that we have ironed them on, we're going to let them sit and chill for a second, and then you're going to slowly peel these off until you get these boobies. And if you're missing some spots, you can just always fill it in. But basically these were super easy to make. You could just make it on Microsoft Word and you'll get these boobie tees. I'm naked! Get out! Just kidding.